it's me, Celine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you and rating all of these fidgets. Ow. So I'm going to be rating them. So,
Dora the Explorer.
So, first of all, there's this poppy ball from Ren. My bestie, I love her so much. If you don't know who is Ren, I put her in a bunch of my videos, so just understand that. So here's how it pops. And this one is a 10 out of 10 because it's from Ren. It pops amazing. This is also from Shein. So go there. Then we have this slime. So I'm going to be testing it out. I pick up, sorry. And this one is from Oosh. And tomorrow, yesterday I got some more slimes that are over there. And slime is a fidget, so I'm also gonna have to rate them. So there's how it is. It was really good, but it's Oosh. So this is a 6 out of 10, not too good anyways, so yeah. It also makes my hands snowy. But anyways, now is a simple dimple, so let's try it. It's amazing. So this one is a 10. I play with it all the time. Be right back. I'll also be showing you my chapstick. But then I have this Tangle. It's really good. I can't even use a Tangle because my hands hurt me so much. So I showed you this. I showed you this. I showed you this. I showed you this. Now we're gonna be showing you this. It's from Harvey. Its pop's kind of good. Here it is. Not too good, but this one's like a 5. I could add it anywhere. It's so cute. Then there's this pop-it bag, and I think there's something in there. Actually, there is some things in there. So there's this dimple. I'm obsessed with it. It's from Toys Lab. So this one's a 10 because it pops amazing. Then we have this mini pop-it. This one pops so bad sometimes, but this one's a 4. And the pop-it bag. Let's see. Let's pop it. So, it's so hard to pop also. So here's the pop. It's a good 5 out of 10. Then we've got this cupcake pop-up. And wait, this is, oh my god, this is the bag. This is. And then there's this cupcake pop-it, and I'm obsessed with this. Here, like here, this. And here, this. That's from New York Toys, and it's cost 19 reals. This is from New York, so I'm obsessed with it. And 10 out of 10. It was my first pop-it. Then we can see this. This one's from my dad, and it's amazing. Wait, it's so hard to pop sometimes because that's the bad side. And here's the good side. And then we also have this fidget spinner. And when will it be? It's worry face. And it's pops. This is also from New York. Amaze. So this one is like 7. Then we also take out this Poppins. This is Poppin. This is also from Toys Lab. This is the bad side. It doesn't even have any sound. really hard to pop. And here's the good side. Really loud. Then there's this heart poppet. Pop's amazing. Here's the good side, bad side. Bad side. And here's the good side. Amazing. Then there's this plastic poppet. Let's try it. That's the bad side. Here's the good side. Then we also have this. It's ripped. I don't know how, but it just got ripped. This one's amazing. It's one of my favorite poppets, and my second first poppet. This is my third first. No, this is my second first, and this is my third first.
Aww.
Hear this, guys. Amazing. Then also have this Hello Kitty poppet. It's really small. It's like a mini pop. Okay, I already finished popping. Here it is. It's so loud in real life. So this one's like, I didn't rate this. This is 10, and this is a 9. Then we also have this giraffe. It's so cute. My BFF also, Rama, has it. But okay, this pop's amazing. It's pops. And here's the loud side. Amazing. Then I also have this popper bracelet, and I got this from Jordan. Good. Up there. And then I also have this. Yeah. Okay. Then wait, where is it? Okay. Oh my gosh. Here's this. Guys, my sister will do some gacha videos. But anyways, look at this. So amazing. And this one is a 10 out of 10. Good. Then we also have this. It's really amazing, I swear. Here's the bad side. And here's the good side. Amazing. Then we also have another version of this. And this one's amazing. So since they're both the same, 10 out of 10 for both of these. They're amazing. Then we also have this. Wait, okay, I need to show you. Here's this. The bad side. And here's the loud side. I love it so much. It's for my mom. Then, time for the jumbo poppets. There's this butterfly. I'm not going to be popping all the bubbles, but just a little bit. And here's the good side. Okay. Then, this is my first jumbo poppet. So let's try it. Okay, and here's the good side. Amazing. And then we also have this, and yesterday you saw in my go to the album Fata. You saw it, and there, like my best friend got it from there, and it's also amazing, guys. So yeah, here it is. Good side, bad side. the good side. That's amazing. Then my second first ever puppet. It's kind of ripped. I don't know. Anyways, let's try it. Bad side. And here's the good side. Amazing. But I didn't rate the jumbo poppets. The jumbo poppets we don't need to rate. Oh, I forgot this puppet. But let's rate it. I love this puppet so very much. So it's a 10 out of 10. Then the third last fidget. This one's a 9. And then this fidget spinner, it doesn't even spin that well. A 3 out of 10. And then this slushy, I love it. It's from back to school, so 10 out of 10. Everything back to its place. So fidgets, we're gonna organize my fidgets with you guys. So like the fidget spinners, go. Oh, my dimples. Wait, I'm gonna need to get my dimples. Oh my gosh. Okay. This dimple. And this dimple. These are all my dimples, I think. Do I have more dimples? Wait. Yeah, I do have more. These are all my dimples. 5 dimples. So this fidget spinners. There. So this there. Then the simple dimples. And now fidgets. Like these. That's the slime. By the way, I will be rating my slime in a separate video. So if you want to watch that, just like this video. And then we're going to start puppets. Oh no, what did I do? Oh, let me start all over again. And this there. The fidgets there. 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 Now all my dimples, which is going to take kind of time. There's all my dimples. Now my shaped poppets, like this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I have a lot of fidgets, so it won't fit in this whole entire box. I'll get another box. Then this poppet, this poppet, this poppet, this poppet, this poppet, this poppet. No, mini poppets. So these are like kind of, these are mini. So this one right here. Then this, there's no space. Oh my gosh. And then my jumbo poppets, which I don't even think they're gonna fit. But anyways, so these, this, add them all there. And they're so heavy. So yeah, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click that like button, click subscribe, turn on post notifications, and goodbye, guys.